In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Notion Calendar, sign in to the correct workspace profile, and access the settings menu. To get started, open your Chrome browser and go to the Notion Calendar website by entering calendar.notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, give it a moment to fully appear so you can clearly see the main login or welcome screen. If you already use multiple browser profiles in Chrome, it's a good idea to make sure you're in the correct one before continuing, especially if your primary workspace is connected to a specific account. Next, sign in using the Notion credentials profile that's linked to your primary workspace. The important thing here is to use the correct profile so that you land in the right calendar environment and avoid confusion with other workspaces or personal accounts. If Chrome or Notion offers save sign-in options, carefully choose the one associated with your main workspace. After selecting the correct profile, continue through the sign-in process and wait for the calendar interface to load completely. Once you're signed in, take a quick look around the Notion calendar interface to confirm that everything appears as expected. You should be inside the workspace connected to your primary account, with the calendar layout visible on screen. This quick verification can save time later, especially if you regularly switch between different accounts or collaborative spaces. From there, move your attention to the interface panel and locate the gear wheel icon, which represents settings. This button is typically used to control preferences, account options, and calendar behavior, so it's the place you'll go whenever you need to adjust how Notion Calendar works. Click the gear wheel button to open the settings area. After clicking it, the settings panel should appear, allowing you to view the available configuration options for your calendar setup. At this point, you've successfully reached the settings section from within the correct Notion calendar workspace. If the panel doesn't open right away, simply pause for a moment and make sure the page has finished loading, then try again if needed. That's it for this process. You've opened Notion Calendar in Chrome, signed in with the correct workspace profile, and accessed the settings menu. This is a simple but important starting point for managing your calendar setup efficiently and making sure you're working